Is it recording? Oh, it's recording. Oh. Now, there's nobody bigger or better at Python than I am. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Now, if you remember, it was first released 30 years ago, but it's evolved over the years, and it's very current language. It's a very, very current language. It's huge. It's widely used, and you see Mexicans using it, you see Chinese using it everywhere. Now, I have much better programming skills than they do, and I have much better programming skills than she does. I also have a much better temperament than she does. I think my strongest asset may be by far my programming skills. I have winning programming skills that I'll teach you. You'll be the number one, or number two, because I'm number one. Now, I'm not a schmuck, so over the next few lectures, you're going to learn the basics of Python, a language that is huge and is widely used for data science these days. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Data science pays a lot of money. Not as much money as I have, but still a lot of money. And if you want a lot of money, you should get a job in data science. Oh, by the way, don't you come here and take our jobs. Stay in your country and steal jobs there. That is the right thing to do. Now, I know that if my father and mother were alive today, they would be very, very proud of me for doing this and helping you steal jobs. And remember, every like is another brick in the wall.